Good evening, Konbanwa. Hello, hello. We're in or Konnichiwa ba? I forgot na. Okay, so we are live at the Yokohama Marine Tower for the Light of Wish fun project of 18 Japan. As you know, me and Che are here right now. We are celebrating with them for this project. To sing the Light of Wish in a few minutes. Wow. Yan lang talaga yan. Isa na yung SB19.
Kasi SB19, hindi po kami OT1.
Ay, oo. Hindi po kami, linawin natin ang mga pangyayari. Hindi po kami OT1. OT2 po kami. Joke. We are OT5 of course. Teng. O yan. May biases lang, but OT5. Yes. Diba? So we are grateful for the 18 Japan. Ano ba to? Yung Philip Japan ba to? Or 18 Japan talaga? I think it is a collaboration, I'm not sure. But nevertheless, we are grateful to be here. There are a lot of 18 from different parts of the country.
Picture niya.
Opo. Paano ha? Gawin kong... Compress, beautiful people. Hi. Hello. Hindi makita eh. Cellphone po pala. Pag ando ka sa main tower. Compress. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, George.
Excited.
Ayan na.
Where are you, Kat?
Nakakain. Kung nag-filter tayo sa Echaran, baka alas 10 na tayo nakakain.
Ano oras sila nakapasok?
Ang tagal nga raw yun.
What time kayo nakapasok sa Ichiran? What time kayo nakapasok sa Ichiran?
Paano mo nalaman to? May ganito.
Si Queen. Si Queen. Si Queen.
Kasi nakapila din kami. Tapos umalis lang din kami.
Kasi...
Doon tayo unang nagkita eh. Doon tayo unang nagkita.
Lipat na lang kami.
Nung nag-ichiran kami,
Ako na lang makakapin ko ulit.
I feel like coughing. Ibalik ko muna kay Che because I wanna cough. Ubo muna ako. Ano naman itong ubo na to? Ay, mag-ano muna tayo? Mag-selfie.
Selfie?
Selfie tayo.
Sorry po.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Actually, it's not a virus. Chair is not infected. I'm having allergies and it's so cold. I'm really suffering.
I want to get
But
the...
I'm loving it.
You hold on sa sa phone kasi I need to get the banner.
Anong nakikinahanap mo? Nasa akin ba? Check ko.
Picture po tayo with blue light. Group picture po tayo. Hello po. Hello po.
We're gonna end the live na ba? Tingnan ko sa bag ko. Hawakan mo muna to.
Sorry po sa shaky hands.
Baka maubos na yung blue! Baka maubos na yung...
Sama kayo guys sa picture. SG and banner.
Love your SB19 from Tokyo, Japan! Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. I love you, SB19 from Tokyo!
Sabit kami eh.
Lahat po ng taga-Japan.
From the Philippines.
From Singapore. From Singapore. Ayo, ipakita lang niya.
Nagmadali. Last na.
Ayaw na.
Last na.
Ay, kaso, ang ano, gulo natin. Ay, baka hindi na siya sagutin.
Ayun o.
Okay. Yung auntie mo nandito ulit. Yung auntie mo, nandito ulit. Video mo.
Sige, sige, bye.
Sorry.
Si Ja kasama niya, si Ja. Sabi niya,
Okay lang. Basta na, kaya kabilutan nga na si Ken.
Sorry, na-miss namin yung call. Si Ken na lang. Ito na lang. Ito na lang.
It's just a teaser.
Yeah, tinawagan si Ken.
I actually don't know I don't know where to focus. To my calf, to
kasama
my...
pa rin yung dalawa. Si Justin. Oo, gumagala, nag-shopping yata.
Sayang. Nakita ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Nakita ba yung call kay Ken? Nag-hi siya.
Oo, meron na. Kinuha pala niya yung katabi ko. Kasi sila sa Japan.
Pinapagawa ko.
Nag-world tour ka na rin.
Hindi, ano lang ako.
Nag-world tour.
See you tomorrow.
I am
Ay, alis na daw
hungry.
si DJ.
po kayo, Tito Denso.
Pabalik ko.
I need to picture 18 Japan, right? Yung 18 Japan.
Magka-trip na lang daw kami. I wish daw po, ano daw wish?
I wish ko sa akin.
Sa
I wish ko sa akin.
Power. Thank you. Thank you sa Tay. And then, kasi, asan daw sa biscuit? Kasi daw nakikita.
In Japan.
I'm hungry. Actually, 7:30 na eh, I think.
Tapos na? Ano natin si... Yun na yun?
I was thinking na mag-blink pa siya. Actually, sila, tama tong guess nga. Nagstay sila sa Beacon Hotel.
Saan?
Tama yung guess na.
Say bye! Bye po, Tita Gemma. Wish. Close na? Close na natin?
Okay, so I think we're ending our live. I hope you also make your wishes for SB19, for 18, for the 18 Landia to stop fighting with each other, arguing with each other. Stop arguing with each other for nonsense things. the blue light is already off. Thank you for all the viewers. I hope all our wishes for SB19 and for ourselves will come true. Whatever your heart's desires, I hope they're granted. Actually, mine also. Yours also. That's about it. That's it for tonight. Good night, everyone. Have a lovely evening. As much as we have a lovely evening here in Yokohama as well. Have a good night. Have a good rest and take care. Bye. How to end this? I think I'm like Ken now. I don't know how to end this live.
No idea. No idea. Wala, dumami yung
Aba, naka 1K pa tayo ha.
Oh my God, sorry po. How to end this? Bye, people. How to end it? Stop,
Sa
Rod.
tawa ko na hindi na tayo natin ma-off yung ano.
See you tomorrow.
Sorry about that. As I mentioned, I'm coughing.
See you tomorrow.
And the laugh and the cold. Anyway. Bye-bye.